Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. The rhino is not merely a creature of nature, but a symbol of resilience, determination, and unshakable confidence. So, when life threatens to break you, developing the mindset of a rhino can transform the way you approach challenges, goals, and life itself. And that's how we say a warm welcome to Excel, the place where the exceptionals come to get better every day. And today we want to share how to develop the mindset of a rhino. So, my friends, picture this. You're standing in the vast savannah, a golden sea of grass stretching endlessly beneath a sky kissed by the sun. And suddenly, through shimmering heat, a powerful silhouette emerges, the rhinoceros. With its unyielding stride, armor-like skin, and determination that seems to echo through the landscape. The rhino isn't just an animal. It's a force of nature, a living emblem of strength, focus, and purpose. Adopting the mindset of a rhino can infuse your life with unshakable confidence and the courage to overcome any obstacle. So, what is a rhino? It's short form for rhinoceros, a large herbivorous mammal known for their distinctive horns and massive build. So, how can one develop the mindset of a rhino, you may ask? We want to share 7 ways you can do that. And number 1 is embracing life's trial with grace. And that can be related to the thick skin of a rhino. A rhino's thick skin shields it from the thorns, the barbs, and the bites of its rugged environment. And for us, this represents resilience. Life will undoubtedly test you with criticisms, with rejections, and adversity. Instead of letting these wounds fester, cultivate a mindset that absorbs, processes, and transforms pain into growth. Your emotional armor isn't about indifference, it's about maintaining grace under pressure. It's about learning from every experience and emerging stronger. Like the rhino, you can endure the toughest storms without losing sight of who you really are. And number 2, charging toward greatness. That talks about the focus of a rhino. When a rhino charges, it commits entirely, a thunderous, unwavering force headed straight for its target. In our fast-paced world, distraction lurk at every corner, tempting us away from our goals. To think like a rhino is to master the art of focus. Identify what truly matters to you, and break down your aspirations into clear, actionable steps. Then, with lesser precision, commit to them. It's not about rushing, but about moving forward with purpose. Every deliberate step is a triumph over the chaos that seeks to slow you down. And that is what the rhino teaches us. And number 3, there is strength in simplicity. And that is talking about finding freedom in the essentials, which is one interesting attribute of a rhino. Rhinos thrive by sticking to the basics, finding food, water, shelter. They conserve their energy, expending it only on necessary things. This simplicity is their strength. In our lives, we often clutter our minds with days, with unnecessary complexities. Strip away the noise, my exceptional friends, and focus on what nurtures your soul, meaningful relationships, fulfilling work, and your health. By clearing the path of distractions, you create space for clarity and joy. Remember, simplicity isn't about lack. It's about abundance in what truly matters. Hey, my friends, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on these valuable nuggets that we share every week. And number 4, owning your power, which talks about the confidence of a rhino. When a rhino moves, it does so with a presence, that commands respect. There is no hesitation, no questioning its worth. Imagine living with that level of assurance. Confidence comes from preparation and the courage to stand tall in your uniqueness. Be yourself. Own your strength. Acknowledge your weaknesses and move through life knowing you are enough. I think you need to repeat this to yourself every morning. I am enough. Your confidence is the beacon that will light your path and inspire others to walk boldly beside you. They need to see and believe that you believe in yourself before they can actually believe in you. And number 5, adaptability. That is thriving in a changing world, which is a very beautiful attribute of a rhino. Rhinos, though creatures of habit, adapt when circumstances demand it, whether it's altering their gazing patterns or navigating new terrains. They persist. In a world that constantly shifts beneath our feet, adaptability is a superpower. So embrace change with an open mind. When plans falter, view the detours as new adventures. Growth actually lies not in resisting change, but in leaning into it with curiosity and courage. And that is what the rhino teaches us. And number 6, persistence, the heartbeat of success. A rhino's journey is one of sheer persistence, whether plowing through thick mud or enduring harsh climate. It doesn't stop. It doesn't quit. And similarly, life's most rewarding achievements often demand grit. Challenges will arise, and moments of doubt will test your resolve. But persistence isn't about never failing. It's about rising every time you do. The finish line might be closer than you think, but you only reach there if you keep moving forward. And finally, number 7, loving what you do. Rhinos might not feel love as most humans do, but their behavior offers powerful lessons in sustaining passion and dedication to their instincts and purpose. Translating this to human terms, we can talk about purposeful existence and community connections as part of the things that a rhino can teach us as we strive to love what we do. Now, about purposeful existence, rhinos don't waste energy on trivial pursuits. They focus on what sustains them, which is finding food, protecting themselves, and nurturing their young. Similarly, staying connected to a deeper purpose behind your actions can keep your passion alive. When your work aligns with your values or serves a meaningful goal, it becomes easier to stay in love with what you do. And about the community and connection, rhinos are often solitary, but still thrive through interactions with their environment and occasional connection with others. For humans, surrounding ourselves with like-minded people who share our passion or inspire us can help maintain our drive and affection for our craft. So, aligning with these principles, you can cultivate a sustainable and enduring love for your work, much like the rhino thrives, to staying attuned to its purpose and needs. Ready to channel your inner rhino? Well, if you're ready, it's all about embracing resilience, focus, simplicity, confidence, adaptability, persistence, and truly loving what you do. It's all about charging forward with unwavering purpose, even when the path seems uncertain. It's about standing tall in the face of challenges and knowing you have the strength to overcome them. So when life feels overwhelming or your goal seems out of reach, remember the rhino. Picture its unyielding charge, its calm confidence, and its ability to thrive in the harshest conditions. Then take a deep breath. Plant your feet firmly on the ground and step boldly into the world with the unstoppable mindset of a rhino. The savannah of life awaits, my friends, and it's yours to conquer if you're ready to take the challenge. So as we wrap up, we recommend you read Rhinoceros Success by Scott Alexander to further inspire you to keep charging forward like a rhino towards your goals and your mission. And that's our package today, Exceptionals. Please give us a thumbs up if this video ministered to you in one way or another, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content delivered to you every week. And we recommend you check out the next video that is put up there for you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed.